The last video I was talking about cases where you had a TCLL and you could replace a twisted corner, but you can also use it for pseudos, like when you have solved corners. When all corners are solved, then you basically have a pseudo into another solved corner case, and you probably already use this for cases like this where you do like setup into triple sledge, but you can use it further because sometimes you can cancel into other alks, so yeah, so if you know multiple alk for these cases, you can cancel a lot of time, and often like the alternative alks for these cases are just like pseudos into other cases. So you can just recognize it by that, and either just recognize it in the solve or know that it cancels and use that in the and use that to learn the alks. And what you also can use it for, and that's a bit more interesting, is for these cases, for peanut, because here you also have solved corners. And what you can do here is when you insert it, then you basically have a setup into another peanut case. So often when you have like one move into a peanut case, you don't have anything else to check. So then it's worth checking the pseudo into it. Because for this case, for example, I think when you do this, let me quickly recognize it. Okay, so for these cases, the peanut case just stays the same. So when you have the setup move into it, you just have to recognize the peanut the same way. And here, when you do this, you actually get a pseudo case into the mirror, basically. So basically, have a pseudo into this case. So now, when we have this, yeah, we see that the U center is here, it's orange, and then the one in the back here, it will become opposite. So you basically have this case. So when you have one move into this, then you can do the elk here. So the elk goes like this, and here at the end you can cancel, which would give you a nicer solution. So when you have this, then it basically becomes yeah, it's a bit local, but it's faster. And then even when you have two moves into this, it becomes even better, because yeah, so this, because now we can also cancel into the AUK that we are of the pseudo case. So here now it just becomes this. And on that case, when you have two moves into it, you didn't really have anything else to check here. On no other center it was like anything worth checking. So here it would actually have been a really good decision to do the pseudo case and see that you would end up with this as a solution.